IPOB don announce say dem go cancel the 1-week sit-at-home order. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, don announce the cancellation of the 1-week sit-at-home order wey suppose start for southeastern states. The announcement dey contained for statement wey dem issue on Thursday by IPOB spokesman Emma Powerful to newsmen. The IPOB spokesman states further say the group leadership dey interested for the referendum and peaceful agitation for self-determination and dem no fit interfere for the electoral processes. Mr. Powerful still urged the people of Anambra State to go outside on election day, vote peacefully on 6th November 2021, take choose leader of their choice. IPOB still want the enemies and traitors of Biafra make them no cause confusion by to force people vote against their decisions. The group adds say e no expect anyone to observe, monitor or enforce the suspended order, otherwise they go consider the action to be rebellion to the highest leadership of the global movement.
When we have noticed that the engagement by the Council of Archbishops and Bishops, when we realize that the genuine elders have engaged themselves positively to ensuring the freedom of our leader, we, the global family of this very movement led by Oyendemazi Nnamdi Kanu, having gotten the order from the highest command of this movement, we hereby suspend our initial programmed sit at home, which ordinarily will have started from tomorrow up until the 10th of November. So therefore, it is hereby suspended. We wish to say that our people must be very, very at alert. Even from tomorrow going forward, they must be at alert and they must not allow themselves to be victims of the plan of the Nigerian security forces. Don't make yourself a victim. Use your own common judgment and your own common sense and make sure that you remain safe.
Osatoame Ogbede, 40MC News.